So as an orthodontist, what is the key benefit of joining the Academy of Dental Excellence? See, we're not training you to become mere technicians. If a dental surgeon were to work with me and the kind of practice that I do, seeing almost more than 30 orthodontic patients in a day, anybody would be able to grasp as to what are the basics. But our emphasis has been that if you join the Academy of Dental Excellence, what do you learn in the orthodontics continuing training program is that when a patient comes to you, you have to evaluate, you have to understand, you have to make a diagnosis. And what is the most important diagnosis in orthodontia? Is the treatment going to be extraction or is it going to be non-extraction? This is the question that every patient who wants to do braces and his entire family are concerned with. Our emphasis is to take you through various modules so that you do the in-depth analysis, diagnosis of the patient using the tools like cephalometrics, like model analysis, like a profile analysis, and come to a conclusion, mainly keeping in interest the patient's profile. We spend countless hours just talking to you, doing numerous case discussions, asking you to do case presentations and telling us that based on 1, 2, 3, 4 these parameters, this patient needs to do extraction versus this patient needs to do non-extraction. So that is the key factor where we want to train you, not to just become mere wire bending specialists. That with the new age where everything is preformed, all those things are available. But the main thing is, and I keep on telling the doctors who come to train that you have to be better than us. The reason being that unless and until with confidence you are able to do the diagnosis as to what is in interest of the patient, that do you really need to extract all the 4 premolars or can you just do upper premolar extraction, you don't need to do lower extraction, or can you just do a periodontally compromised lower incisor, etc, etc, etc. But this diagnosis, of course, with the help of various diagnostic tools, is to be made by you, not by me. Then the whole purpose of the training program, the continuing dental education program, is defeated. So this is our keen interest, that we want you to wrestle your brain, we want you to think, we want you to come with a wrong diagnosis, and we want you to have those great innumerous group discussions in which we would like to tell you, okay, this is what I want to do. And as more and more people want to do non-extraction, what are the various techniques, what are the things like self-ligating brackets or other XYZ things where we can train you to become better dental surgeons. Now coming to a very important part, and I would like to explain that from a director's point of view, that what are the key USPs of our academy. Number one, it is an individualized training program. It's a one-to-one training program. You will never get it in any other institute where they are making, the only emphasis is to make big batches, have 10 students, reduce the fees, make money. It's not that. It's one student and the staff member is actually standing on your head and telling you what you need to do. Second thing, of course, is ample number of cases. We have a waiting list of patients. We are not running after patients like I remember in old college time, when at the time of the exam we used to go hunting for patients. There are more than ample number of patients, and hence hands-on is what you will achieve. And of course, other things like the best staff, great metro connectivity, accessibility from all parts of Delhi and NCR makes the Academy of Dental Excellence exclusive and unique. Thank you.